viewers, Reuters exclusive report claims that India's state-run refiners have now halted purchases of Russian crude oil over the past week. In fact, as of now, refiners and the Union Oil Ministry have not responded to this report by Reuters. But this development exclusively, which has been reported by Reuters, comes as traditional discounts on Russian oil narrow sharply and also amid growing geopolitical pressure following the recent remarks made by US President Donald Trump. Now, according to sources, Indian Oil Corporation, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, along with Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited, all of them, they've not placed any new orders for Russian oil in the past week. In fact, India, the world's third largest oil importer, has emerged as a top buyer of seaborne Russian crude oil, and this has been happening since the Russia-Ukraine war began. Now, Reuters said in its report that the four state refiners typically purchase Russian crude oil on a delivered basis. But with shrinking price advantages, they are now turning to the spot market. In fact, sources say that West Asia grades like Abu Dhabi's Murban and West African oil are now being considered as alternatives in this case. Now, while private refiners such as Reliance Industries and Nayara Energy remain India's biggest importers of Russian oil, the state-run refiners account for just over 60% of India's 5.2 million barrels per day refining capacity. Now, let's take you through India and Russia's crude oil trade. Where does it stand today? Let's take a look, viewers. Now, India's energy ties with Russia, they continue to remain strong, with crude oil imports from Moscow touching about $50 billion in financial year 2024 to 2025. Now, this data is till May, and this accounts for about significant 35% of the country's total crude oil import bill. Now, currently, India is importing nearly 2 million barrels per day of Russian crude. In fact, in May 2025, Russian grades formed about 39% of India's oil imports, rising further to about 43.2% in June. Now, this marked an 11th-month high and reinforced Russia's position as India's leading oil supplier. Now, viewers, with India dependent on imports for nearly 88% of its crude oil requirements, Russian supplies have become a critical energy lifeline here. They maintain dominance in the Indian oil market, and they have been doing so for the past 3 years now. And now with this development, we could see a change in that.